Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Rogers eSIM. First, make sure your phone is supported eSIM and is unlocked. Most newer iPhones and Android phones support eSIM, but it's important to check your device model in advance. Also, ensure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi as an internet connection is required during activation. Next, get your Rogers eSIM QR code. You can receive the QR code when you purchase a plan from a Rogers store, order it online, or access it through your My Rogers account. The QR code is usually sent by email or displayed in your account. Now go to Settings, then tap Mobile or Cellular and select Add eSIM or Add Mobile Plan. When prompted, use your phone's camera to scan the Rogers eSIM QR code. After scanning the QR code, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may be asked to confirm the plan, label the line, or choose whether it will be your primary or secondary SIM. Once the setup is complete, restart your phone. After restarting, the Rogers eSIM will activate automatically. You should see the Rogers network signal on your phone. If the eSIM does not activate right away, give it a few minutes, check the mobile data is turned on, and make sure you are in an area with Rogers coverage. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.